So guys, how to make in credit scene or vertical scrolling text in Shotcut? It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. So we have our new project open. Now go to open other, color, then click on open, then left click, drag and drop to the timeline. Now select the clip, go to filters, or from up here select the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for text, select text rich, then copy your text data and Ctrl V to paste. Now resize the box, give it the maximum width, then single left click here, Ctrl A to select everything. Now as you can see, our box height is only 864. Increase the box height like crazy, like 10,000. Center the text, resize the text, suppose 30. Then click on preset drop down, select scroll up. Let's see what we have. See, the speed is too high. To control the speed, we need to increase the clip length. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's check it again. See, now it's more slow. Increase the length again, zoom out, 20. See, lastly, sometime we may face problem with centering the text. For that, select the layer not the clip, then go to filters, plus, search for size, position and rotate and center it manually. So guys, that's how easily we can make in credit scene or vertical scrolling text in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.